Students, let's continue chapter 4, rational numbers. Today's topic is multiplication of rational numbers. As we have done multiplication of fractions in previous chapter, we have done over there that numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator. In the same way, in the multiplication of rational numbers, what we will do, we will find the product of their numerator and product of their denominators. So you can see here A by B and C by D is any rational numbers. So when we multiply these two rational numbers, we multiply A into C means product of their numerator, B into D means product of their denominator. So we can say product of two rational numbers is equal to the product of their numerators and product of their denominators. So we have done the same concept in fractions also. So look at the first sum. Multiply 3 by 4 by 5 by 7. So 3 by 4 by 5 by 7. So we have done cancellation method in fraction. So we cancel the term. See, is there any common divisor between numerator and denominator? No. So what we will do, we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So our answer is 15 by 28. Now we will write the answer in standard form. So what is standard form? First is there should not be any common divisor between numerator and denominator. So 15 by 28 is already in standard form. Look at second question. Multiply minus 2 by 3. Multiply minus 2 by 3 by 6 by 7. Minus 2 by 3 by 6 by 7. So check, is there any term that we can cancel? As I told you, we have done in fractions also. Now here we can cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So what we have cancelled 6 by 3. So what is left in the numerator? Minus 2 multiplied by 2 and 1 multiplied by 7. So as we know, when here there is no sign means plus. So minus multiplied by plus, it is minus. 2 twos are 4, 7 ones are 7. So answer is minus 4 by 7. Next question is multiply minus 12 by 5 by 10 by minus 3. So again we will see, is there any term that we cancel in numerator and denominator, or is there any common divisor between numerator and denominator? So yes, there is a term 12 by 5 multiply 10 by minus 3. So this is the term. So we can cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So what is left in the numerator? We have 4 twos are in numerator, 4 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by minus 1, and here it is minus 4. We have minus 4. So minus divided by minus, it is plus. 4 twos are 8, 1 into 1 it is 1. So minus divided by minus, we have done in integer, it is plus. Now look at the next fourth question, simplify. It is same. So 5 by, what is here? 5 by minus 18 multiplied minus 9 by 20. This is the statement. So again we will cancel the terms first. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Minus cancel with minus. You can do in this way also. Minus cancel with minus. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So what we have in numerator, we have 1 multiplied by 1. In denominator 2 fours are 2 multiplied by 4. So we have 1 by 8. So final answer is 1 by 8. Now second part is minus 32. So nothing in denominator, what we can do? We can put 1 here. We have nothing in denominator, we put 1. So rest of the sum is same. So see, is there any number which can cancel numerator as well as denominator, or is there any common divisor? Yes. A, you can say 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. So both 32 and 36 are divisible by 4. So what we have in numerator, simple, that is minus 8 multiplied by minus 7. In denominator 1 multiplied by 9. So first we will multiply signs. Minus into minus, it is plus. Minus into minus, it is plus. 8 multiplied by 7, it is 56. 1 nines are 9. This is your answer. Look at question number 5. Simplified. Now we can see here this is multiplication of two rational numbers. Then again multiplication of two rational numbers. So what we will do, we will solve first brackets and we will find the product of these two rational numbers, then these two rational numbers. So whatever the answer comes, then we will find out the difference. So see, first we are going to solve this. So here we can see, we can cancel the terms. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 12 and 27 both are divisible by 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 nines are, so what we can see, 3 nines are 27. So what comes here? Minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 in the numerator. Or if you want to take bracket, you can take, otherwise you can write as it is also. 1 multiplied by 9 in the denominator. So now this is the simplification of first two rational numbers. Now next, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. So in numerator we have minus 1 multiplied by 1. In denominator 5 twos are. So minus into minus, it is plus. 4 twos are 8, 8 by 9. Minus 1 into 1, it is minus 1 by 10. So we know that there is single sign between two terms. So here it is two signs. So we will convert this into single sign. Minus into minus, plus. So now take the LCM. LCM of 9 and 10 is 90. So here we multiply by 10. And here we will multiply by, numerator multiply by 9. So here it is 80 plus 9. We get, so 80 plus 9, it is 89 upon 90. So this is the answer of question number 5, simplified. I hope it is clear to you.